don't solve this mathematics problem the long way. Here is this 10-second shortcut your teacher did not tell you. Now, the question says, solve 2 open bracket x plus 3 is equals to 14. When there is equality sign, what you just need to do, you can divide both sides by 2. So that 2 will cancel 2, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 7. Then you have x plus 3 is equals to 7. So you just find x. So x is equals to, this plus 3 will go to the other side by collecting like terms. So this is 7 minus 3. So x is equals to 7 minus 3 is 4. So the answer is 4. Very simple, very easy. So instead of saying 2 open brackets x plus 3 is equals to 7, and you now start to open the bracket by saying 2 times x, 2 times 3, then you now have 2x plus 6 is equals to 7. This is going to be a long way. Sorry, here is 14. This is going to be a long way, and instead of going a long way, you can just solve it easily without going through this long way. Yeah, with just 10 seconds, you can get the answer. Thank you.